Inspired by Jacques Pepin chicken jardiniere, today I decided to make this delicious chicken stew recipe. Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. In this video episode I'll show you how to make my favorite, easy and delicious chicken stew recipe, also known as chicken jardiniere. So make sure to watch the video to the end and as always, enjoy it. Take 8 ounces of pearl onions, cut off the ends and peel it. Jardiniere means gardener in French and vegetables are changed according to season. This chicken stew is easy to put together and it gets better every time you reheat it. Transfer it into the bowl and put it aside for now. Take 1 pound of middly little potatoes and peel the skin off. Put it into the bowl with cold water. Jacques Pepin is a famous French chef and chicken jardiniere was often made by his mother. She made it from a carcass of a raw chicken and its gizzards, but he used pancetta instead of gizzards for additional flavor, and chicken legs, which stays moist during cooking. Get 2 carrots, peel it, and cut it into large size just like that. This chicken stew is a great one-pot dish, feeds a crowd, and uses a great variety of vegetables. Put it aside. Take 8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms and clean them with a paper towel. Make sure not to wash the mushrooms because they absorb a large amount of water and will be soggy and less flavorful when cooked. Take 3 ounces of pancetta, open it and cut it into large donuts. Pieces about 1 inch long and half an inch thick. Pancetta is cured and smoked pork belly, specialty of Italy. It is similar to bacon but got more delicate taste. For my chicken stew, I'm using 3 chicken thighs and 3 chicken legs. Chicken thighs are bone in, but make sure to cut off all the excess fat and remove the skin. Chicken jardiniere is a great famous French dish that is very easy to make and doesn't take too much time. Perfect chicken dish, it's a great dinner idea for every day. Cut chicken legs to separate thighs from drums. Chicken jardiniere is very quick and practical to make. You can use traditional vegetables like I did, or the one that you have stored in the fridge to take advantage of leftovers. If you like my culinary content, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell, press notify me to get notified about my new videos. And now let's cook it. Take a Dutch oven pot, add pancetta in and render it on a low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove pancetta from the pot and in the same pot sear the chicken. But first let's season the chicken with some salt and freshly ground black pepper from both sides. Add some olive oil into the pot where you seared the pancetta and place chicken in. Sear it by batches until golden brown in color from both sides. Once all the chicken is seared, return it all back into the pot, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over it, and move the chicken around to distribute the flour evenly. Pour 1 cup of dry white wine, cook it for approximately 2-3 minutes. Squeeze 3 garlic cloves in. Add carrots, potatoes, pearl onions, mushrooms, couple strings of fresh thyme, about 3 bay leaves. Pour 1 cup of hot chicken stock and adjust the seasoning with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Bring it to a full boil, cover the pot with a lid, reduce the heat to low and cook it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove thyme and bay leaves. And add half a cup of green peas. Cook it for 2 minutes and my chicken stew, also known as chicken jardiniere, is ready. Serve it family style on a large plate and decorate it with some fresh chopped parsley. Serve it with a slice of crusty bread or baguette to soak it in jardiniere sauce. This chicken stew recipe is warm and filling, perfect for cold winter evenings or anytime a comforting meal is needed. Guys, the moment that you were waiting for, taste test. Let's dig in. The potato is perfectly cooked. Let's continue. Guys, this is the best chicken stew recipe that you need to follow and make it.